Porsche history is very important. It's the core of the Porsche brand, and you have to take good care of your history. And without history, you have no future. We have more than 2 kilometers of files, we have 5 million photographs and more than 5,000 hours of audio and video material. So in total, it's also the biggest automobile archive in the whole world. In the Porsche Museum, we always show around 100 cars, but the collection of our museum is much bigger. We have a secret storage facility where we store all the cars which we do not have on display and which we don't sell around the world at the moment. The 924 GTP is an iconic race car from the early 1980s. It was a Le Mans participant with a pretty good result, and it's a quite iconic car because it shows how close motorsports and production are at Porsche. Porsche sent 3 different 924s to the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and there was a German team, English team and American team, because these 3 countries were the biggest markets for Porsche. The car directly came to the Porsche Museum, and since then it was untouched, so it's what we call a sleeping beauty. And you can see many marks, little damages at the car. It's completely unrestored, and it's like a time capsule. The reason why the car is going to be restored is the 40-year anniversary of the 924. The restoration of the car will be teamwork. In the UK, 5 different Porsche centers are involved, and it's a pretty challenging subject. The restoration of a classic race car is always a big challenge because the cars are unique, they're prototypes, they're one of a kind, so you cannot just go to the warehouse and pick some parts. But I think if you have a lot of passion to detail, the result will be amazing. For me, it's always a highlight if I can see a classic Porsche race car which was restored, because then the car is coming back to life. The cars were built for driving, and that's what they should do. And we think these cars are the best brand ambassadors the Porsche brand can have.